It's nearly snapper season. Today I'm going to tie a snapper rig specifically for Port Phillip Bay, and I'll show you what snapper rigs I use, what hooks I use, what you're going to need to make it, and I'll share some of my other little tips and tricks that might help you catch a Port Phillip Bay snapper. All the information, hooks, rigs, line, everything I use will be in the description below. So if you're a beginner, this video will really help you getting started. First thing we want to do is cut 1.5 meters of 40-pound leader. Pass mono through eye and do a loop. Grab the loop and do another loop. So it looks like a figure 8 like that. Now you want to get the tag end and twist it through that second loop. And you want to twist it 6 to 8 times. Now you want to lubricate the knot. Now pull the leader and snug down the knot to the eye of the hook. That knot is called a uni knot. It's one of the best knots you'll use in fishing. Trim the tag. Bang, and that's what we've got, a really good knot. Rightio, let's tie the second hook on this snelled twin hook rig. Feed the second hook through, and you want to leave yourself a little bit of room. People like it close, some people like it far away. That's entirely up to you. This is called a quick snell, and we want to wrap the line around the back of the hook so it's really tight. You want to keep winding level to the point, and then what you're going to do, back up through the eyelet. Now just pull the line tight, really tight as you can. Just apply the finishing touches, a Lumo bead and a size 1 bull sinker. You can then tie a swivel using the first knot, the uni knot.
One again?
Huh?
Is that the pink blitz again?
Yeah, pink blitz.
Pink blitz?
No, it's not a 20. Oh, look at it. Look how big it is.
Oh my god, that's 20 pound. It's a big knobby, it's a big knobby. Good job, bro.
They're available in 4 colours: Scallop, Midnight, Pink Blitz, Super Lumo. Yes, you should bait them. I like silver whiting heads. And also...
Fresh good for bait. Do you want to just lift him in?
Oh yeah. Oh well. Hopefully they get fixed for summer. Have a look at the tide in Port Phillip Bay.